These are the jumbo storage bags. Now, I've read a couple of reviews from people who were saying that the bags were not resealable, but this has not been my experience. I have had no problems in reopening, taking out what I need, and resealing bags with my vacuum cleaner, which is the case. This time I needed to retrieve a comforter, so I went ahead and washed everything, and I went ahead and resealed everything back in the bag with no issues whatsoever. So for just a small tip, when you are storing items in bags such as these, make sure everything that you put in there is clean and smelling good, because if you put anything dirty in there and seal it, when you open it, you will get a nice big whiff of whatever unfreshness was happening in there pre-sale day. But for me, I've had no issues with using these bags over and over again, and I will continue to do so.